Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Watermelon Man on drums. This iconic jazz-funk tune relies on a distinct, laid-back groove. We will focus on the core elements, starting with the swung eighth note feel. The hi-hat maintains a steady pulse, while the bass drum and snare create a syncopated, driving rhythm. Mastering these foundational patterns is key to capturing the song's infectious energy and feel. Let's dive into the hi-hat and snare. Your hi-hat should play a closed sound on beats 2 and 4, providing a steady foundation. For a touch of flair, try adding a light open hi-hat on the end of beat 4. The snare drum delivers a solid backbeat on beats 2 and 4, giving the groove its characteristic punch. Remember to keep your stick grip relaxed for optimal sound and control. Now let's integrate the bass drum. It plays on beat 1, then again on the end of beat 2, and finally on beat 4. This creates a compelling, syncopated foundation. The key here is coordination between your feet and hands. Start by practicing the bass drum with the hi-hat, then gradually add the snare. Slow, deliberate practice will build muscle memory and ensure a smooth, cohesive groove. It's time to put all the pieces together. Begin by combining the hi-hat, snare, and bass drum at a very slow tempo, perhaps around 60 beats per minute. Focus on the feel and the precise timing of each note. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase the speed. Don't forget to listen to the original Watermelon Man recording. It's your best guide for capturing the authentic vibe and groove.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.